I will show you a shines that we have worked before on 8, the hook step, but this time on 1. On the forward step. Forward is always left. So I will show you quickly what is this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So a little bit more slowly. 1, 2, 3 on the heel. I pause. 4, 5. I flick. Heel. Pause. So it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, and I go on 1, 2, 3. I close the shine. 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.